Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Python series. In this video, we will be building a web scraper using Python. And in this video, you will learn what web scraping is, how websites are structured, how to download web page content, how to extract specific data, build your first Python web scraper. And if you are learning Python for automation and security, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment scraper down below. So first of all, what is web scraping? Web scraping means extracting data from websites automatically. Example uses are collect news headlines, track product prices, monitor job listings, gather threat intelligence. And instead of manually copying like this, for example, a site had headline 1, headline 2, and headline 100. So if you try to copy all these 100 headlines, it will take a lot more time. So that's why we use Python to automate it. So first of all, we'll need BeautifulSoup. So for that, we will install it using pip. Using the pip command in install BeautifulSoup and add 4 to it. And we also use request to download the web page. And after this, hit enter. And if you don't have installed request pip library already, enter pip install requests. Okay, so I have already installed it. So I'm going to clear the terminal. And now we'll import the libraries we need. First one will be requests, and second one will be BeautifulSoup. But we'll import it like this because we want only specific things from it. So that's why we will import it like this. And what BeautifulSoup does is it parses HTML. So next step will be downloading web page. So for that, we'll first create a variable called URL, and we will be extracting data from news.ycombinator.com. Okay. Then we'll create a variable called response, and it will use get method to download the web page, and then HTML response.txt. Sorry, not txt, text. Now HTML contains the entire web page code. This variable has entire web page code now. Our next step will be using BeautifulSoup. And we write here BeautifulSoup HTML, comma, html.parser. Now we can search inside the web page. And the next step will be, you guessed it right, extracting data. And in this case, we'll be extracting headlines. So we create a variable called titles and soup.findAll span. We'll be using the span tag in HTML, and class underscore equals to title line. And then for title in titles colon print title dot text. This prints all the news headlines. Okay, so let's review if we have left anything, and let's just add some spaces here to make it cleaner. And let's try running it. Okay, so now if you come here, and you can see every headline we have got here. So to verify, we can go to the site, or you can just press Ctrl and click on the link, and the site will appear here. And you can see these are all same and in the same order. HWE-CI, this is this one, sorry. And in case you are wondering that how did I know that this is the span tag and that underscore title line one thing, so for that you can search span here. So this is the span tag here, and actually there are a lot more span tags here, and the second is title line. So span tag got a class named title line. So we use these to extract the titles of the web page. So in this video, Python just extracted data from a website automatically. And important rules for web scraping: always follow website terms of services, respect robots.txt, avoid too many requests. Web scraping should be ethical and responsible. And you can use web scraping in cyber threat intelligence, market research, data science, price monitoring, and monitoring tools. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching.